Do you want to sue a military hospital for medical malpractice and have questions about what that looks like? Then this video is for you. When you are a victim of medical malpractice from a military hospital, the process is a lot different than if you are injured in a non-military hospital and bring a case in regular court. Let me explain what this is all about. When you are involved with the military hospital, it falls under a category of cases called the Federal Tort Claims Act, known as FTCA. And that's a lot different than bringing a regular medical malpractice case in a traditional court. When you bring a lawsuit against the federal government, there are a few procedural things that you have to do first. What is the first thing? First thing is you have to put the government on notice. There's a written form, and that notice has to be filed within 2 years of the alleged malpractice. And you must tell the federal branch of government that this military hospital belongs to the nature of your case and what that's all about. Can you do this yourself? I'm sure you can, but my recommendation is that you speak with a lawyer in order to make sure that form is properly filed. During that time, the government has an opportunity to look at the case and decide whether they want to settle with you or they're going to make you proceed. Let me tell you, my experience has been that the government does not settle, that they do waste a lot of time, and ultimately they'll come back and they'll say they did anything wrong, and then you have to proceed in court. Now, you can bring a traditional lawsuit in federal court. After all this, there are different limitations under the Federal Tort Claims Act about the type of damages that you get and the attorney's fees that are involved. So I would recommend that you speak with a lawyer right away. This is a very specialized area of the law. It's not the same as bringing a lawsuit in a medical malpractice case in a non-military hospital. So hopefully this information was helpful. And now that you have this information, hopefully you can make a better informed decision about your military hospital medical malpractice case.